Breaking news, a federal appeals court says Wisconsin can enforce the voter ID law. This could be a game changer for the November election.
There are roughly 300,000 people who need an ID in order to vote.
Steve Shamraz is in the newsroom with the latest on these developments. Steve.
Mike and Carol, the Government Accountability Board says it is moving forward with voter ID. It plans to have it in place for the November election. It's a quick reaction to that order from the 7th Circuit Court of Appeals that allows Wisconsin's voter ID law to continue. A panel of 3 judges heard arguments today from the state and from those opposing voter ID. Just a couple of hours later, the court issued an order saying Wisconsin can put the voter ID law back on the books. Governor Walker responded not long after that order came out, saying this will bring integrity to the fall election. The Democratic candidate for Governor, Mary Burke, believes it could throw the November vote into turmoil.
There is no financial barrier. There's no barrier out there. We want to make it easy to vote, but hard to cheat. And we've made it easy to vote going forward. We make it easy to get what they need to show in terms of photo ID to vote. We just want to make sure that the integrity of each and every vote is protected along the way.
I don't think that the clerks are going to be able to get it into effect without the type of organization and changes that are going to jeopardize our voting. I mean, you're looking at changes to absentee ballots on short notice. You're looking at training of personnel.
Now, this could all change again. Lawyers for the ACLU say they're considering their options that could include an emergency appeal to the Supreme Court. The spokesperson for the ACLU has called this, quote, an irresponsible decision, given we're just a couple of weeks away from the election. Mike and Carol.
Definitely not totally over. Thank you very much, Steve.